This is me after an edit. Okay, let's rewind. Back in 2012, my family was on the verge of homelessness. To make sure that didn't happen, I had to write articles for a couple $100 a piece. I had to make sure they were outstanding so there wouldn't be any needs for additional edits. I did a lot of work, and that's how I became an editor. Ask anyone who's ever written for me, and you'll know I'm a tough editor. Given the blogs I've run and the people I've had the chance to work with, there's something to be said for having high editorial standards. I've learned from some of the toughest editors around and worked with some of the best. A single edit to get things done the way I want it can take between 10 to 20 hours. It's the small things that separate good from incredible. The problem is, it's exhausting. And just when you think you're done, you realize you're only halfway. Next, you have to publish the blog post, and if you're like a lot of companies, you still use the classic WordPress editor, which means you have to copy all the information in the Google Doc and paste it into WordPress. Then, you go over to the text tab, copy everything that's here, and then put it into a text editor. You strip out all the junk code, then put it back into WordPress. Fix any additional formatting issues that may have come up, then take care of your images. Next, you have to categorize, add tags, create custom titles, meta descriptions, and anything else that's necessary for your specific blog. But this is incredibly time consuming, and if I'm spending between 10 to 20 hours just editing an article, I don't want to spend another 2 getting it into WordPress. And if I'm doing this at any kind of scale, I'm wasting a lot of time every week just getting articles ready to publish. Now, I figured out an automation that allows me to click a button in Airtable and then have that push the Google Doc all the way over into WordPress with clean code. I'll show you how to do the basics here and then the step-by-step detail in another video. All right, let's check it out. To pull this off, you're going to need a few things. 1, Airtable. 2, Zapier, both paid accounts. 3, Google Docs. 4, WordPress. First, install the Zapier plugin for WordPress. Next, connect your Airtable, Google Docs, and WordPress accounts into Zapier. After, we'll create a trigger that fires when your article enters a specific view in Airtable. Then, we'll use a couple of steps to isolate the document ID, then tell Google to create an article in a new folder. Use Webhooks by Zapier to extract the code from the Google Doc. We'll do a bunch of steps that clean up that code. Then we'll tell Zapier to upload the featured image from Airtable and into WordPress. We'll do some more cleaning of the code, and this is our final step before uploading the post into WordPress. Next, we're going to create the post in WordPress. Select post as the post type. The title is the title we put in Airtable. The content is the clean code that we've gotten in step 10. And if you look down here, the featured media ID is what we've generated in step 9. All that's left is to test the Zap, see it appear in WordPress, preview the post, and look, everything is good. And if that seems like a lot of setup, remember, when you're done with an article, all you'll have to do to upload it is this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're doing a giveaway for a free 60-day trial to Airtable Pro so you can test out a lot of the stuff we talk about on this channel. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and leave a comment letting me know your best workflow hack. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.